Bro, I forgot again. I didn't have my thing turned on. Took like 30 minutes, brother. Alright, so I'll go ahead and run it real quick through. Oh, God. I gotta stop doing that. Alright, real quick, as always, as I mentioned, hopefully you're having a great day. Blessed morning. Thank God we woke up today to continue pushing forward. As always, we like to see what we did at 9:30, which you could go ahead and click all the way in the bottom area, regular trading hours, and seeing what 9:30 did. We could see that NQ gap into premium, ES gap into premium. So we love the big gap. We love it. We love it. We love it. Currently, we are trading above this 1 hour inverted FEG for ES. Above it, and then right here we also have a daily invert. We have a daily SIBI currently reaching buy side liquidity. We have a 1 hour busy buy side efficiency sets and balance inside our daily inverted FEG. Currently we have this buy side to see if we could go ahead and target. Have this 5-minute SIBI in here, which currently looking at to see if we trade to and through it. You have just a little bit. All right, same thing on ES. Also, we have sweep on sell stops at 9:30. So we are looking at these SIBI. BISI. So same thing, 5-minute buy side, 1 hour inversion above our daily. We do have equal lows on ES, just in case if she wants to go ahead and run those out after being in gap it in premium at a later day, or even do an AM session. Buy side liquidity, same thing, 1 hour relative equal lows, 5-minute as well on ES. NQ, excuse me. So I gotta remember to have this turned on, because if not, we would have a whole thing without turning it on. So that would have been bad. Thank God we figured it out though. Cause I be looking at the OBS the window. When I use the Fibonacci on the 5-minute below, I just measure the body of the candle. I'll use the wick when I'm in the higher time frame. All right, so currently we are retracing back into this area. Let's see. I'm just gonna go ahead and mark up our 5-minute in here. We have like 2 more minutes until 10 opens. 82.50. We had that. 29.75. I'll go ahead and mark these up just in case. And as price goes, you'll mark up the bottom ones. What is the low? 97. The high, 93.50. 10. $86.75. Got that. 79.50. Okay. Okay, it's 10. Oh, look at that. Wow. That was a nice rejection. I tell you, better to just wait. Be patient about it. That's a brolic rejection. Vetty brought it. Vetty. I'm gonna go ahead and hard these. I think these 930 just got raped. No mercy on them. Just dipped into the 930 opening range gap too. For both of them too. So let's see. Got like 4 minutes on this. You're gonna let this marinate before we even touch it, honestly speaking. You're gonna let it marinate. Marinate. Got like 4 minutes, 3 minutes or so. He's still rejecting numbers for a minute. Let's see what happens. Premium. Let's see. We did mention if she does go back into these hourly, what happens? You see 930 got taken back into the hourly as well for yes. Alright, still waiting. respecting these 5. And this 5 as well, still open at year close. It could turn into a 5-minute inversion too. Pay attention to that. This candle. This time, yep. 4 seconds. Still being respected, but this turn inverted. I believe this did as well. A lot of things going on, I ain't gonna lie. The thing is, liquidity is up here. Currently in premium again. Do like these cells and premium. I'll do that. Wow, it's not even letting me take it. Why not? Oh, there you go. Alright, smart. All right, so we missed that because we had a little bit of a situation with the putting in the order. It is what it is. I'm not gonna be mad. Yeah, he missed it. He missed that little area in there. See, we get a better entry or so. It is what it is. Trying to sell it, but again, it was telling me some whole bunch of BS. So we missed our entry here. I guess we didn't have the because we have a lot of accounts synced in. So he was hitting we were selling it, but the log line we didn't have the right numbers applied to it, so it's all right. Yes from here, and Q from here. Let's see. It happens. There she goes. Yeah, like I said, I'm not trying to, I'm not being, you know, I'm not get mad over it. It is what it is. Going inside this area in here. Being very picky, I ain't gonna lie. Take them all off here. Take some more off. Yeah, we going down. Yeah, getting profits, man. Took itself in there. I want to see, does it want to target the middle of it beforehand? All right, so we just hit our daily max profit for under the count. Currently, we have 10. 8. All right, so is it time? I don't know. 04. It's confusing. I'm about to take our profit for the day and leave. It's gonna be our area where we're trailing it, and then we're done. If it hits that, we are done. I don't really care. Alright, I just closed everything. Took a sell from here, and that's it. I mean, we missed it from here up here, which it is what it is, bro. But overall, let's see what happens at 10 here. So we made our profit today. That's all I care. What is he? I'll go ahead and show you guys. I don't need to show you everything, but This is our funded account 480, and these are current accounts that we have that we're currently taking. Right now I'm looking into to see what other current funded account or challenges to take after I max out with Apex, because that is the goal. I want to max out with them. But I do have, as you guys can see, a automatic stop loss because I don't want to get into 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 10, 20, 30, 40. I just don't understand when it closes. You have 16. So that means what? We have 2 rolling in here. I don't know. I gotta figure that out. Cause I'll go from like 50 and then I'll close by 10s, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And then when I have 1, 2, 3, 4 open, it says it's running a 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. So it'll be an 8 here. I don't know. Alright, anyways, we'll be looking to see if she can hit the 50% here, because currently we are looking at this 10 to see if she's willing to go ahead and move down lower into that. I mean I wouldn't mind if she doesn't, because we already had dipped into the 930. Usually I like to not dip into the 930 opening range gap until 10 a.m. But if she does, and we got back into premium and hit a high time PDRA and expand, I'll be mindful of the 930 and 10 a.m. For example, 930, or the sweep or low or high of 10 a.m. because this could be easily be respected through the AM session and just retrace, and then later possibly hit come back and sweep below it and balance the 930 opening range gap with some sell side. And throughout the whole day, I mean, it just depends, you know, what we have been doing. So again, I understood that this was still open, and this 5 as well was in between them, but I was mainly focused on the 930 and how he was trading into, like where we was at, and as well as the high time frame. At one point I was looking at these buy side, but again we had these nice sweep, these buy side stop taken. Then we had a 5-minute expanded lower right into another 5-minute, and then ran lower aggressively. Then we took a sell here after missing our first initial one here, and our area of target that we was looking at first was here, but she didn't. So again, it's Friday, better to secure the profit than being greedy. So nice, calmly, I would say what, 58 to 60 points. Not bad. Not bad. Just had one loss on the week. We traded Monday, got a W, 11. I don't know if we traded the 11. 1, 2, 3. Traded. Did not trade. Traded. Oh, I think it was Tuesday. So Monday W. So we got 1, 2, 3. So traded 4 times, and on the 11, we basically made back what we lost and more. So pushing. That's all I really care about. You guys can see we are consolidating. We're looking on the 5. On the 5-minute, it turned into an inverted. So I'm gonna go ahead and hide that, mark that up. Mark that up as well. So knowing that we did close below those 5 minute and hold on, below those 5 minute, and I am already on the 1 minute, we don't really see anything of interest. I don't want to see her playing around in here. If she's gonna come in here, it's either to reject off right away, even up to these buy stops up here, to then continue going a lot lower, or go up to target these buy side. You know, if she doesn't target these buy side, then I'm definitely looking at 10 a.m. to be ran. Those lows to be ran. So oh, that's why. It is what it is. I figure out the situation. Yo, I gotta get on my thing, yo, cause I'll be, you know what I'm saying? Like, shh. All right, so let's go ahead and put this 10, because for some reason it wasn't that time. All right, so our area, first area, you guys can see, just jabbed right into it. Told you I don't want to see no game played. If she's gonna come back into here, I need to see her, you know, move away. First area second area target would be down here. I'm gonna go ahead and control copy. $426. Overall, I already showed you guys my area if she wants to go and expand all the way. $63.50. All right, so now we're coming back into these areas in here. I just noticed too, we finished early today. So even if we would have held up, I guarantee you we just would have closed. Not on this low, but as soon as these lows got taken out, would have been like, you know what? No, that's it. Let's see what happens after taking out these at least buy stops here. I'm gonna put these here so you guys understood and know why. And then these are 5 minute, so you guys know. I have an idea. Right now, have those as well open. Just in case. Okay. Alright, like I said, she's gonna be in here. I don't want to see her playing too many games, bro. I need to see her do what she wants to do. But not too much. I don't want to see her playing games in here. Whatsoever. No games. She has no thing to be in there unless she wants to go ahead and run into here for you guys. I mean, in Q. You guys can see we do have on the 3 minute for ES. So let's see if that's the area that she is willing to move away from. So inefficiency, liquidity. Just see. They did the 50%, so you guys can see the rejection that we have from it. To the body, It wasn't perfectly to it. Maybe it was. Hold on, let me see. Make sure that we did the right measurements. No good measurements. Not the bad one, the good one. The good measurements. Where you can see it a little bit went below the 50%. So I guess it should be here. I think that should be, yeah, that should be good. All right, so we traded 2 and above. Is buy stop, close. This candle here, wicked it. Let me come back into it. So let's just see, bro. It's Friday too, bro. So. A lot of BS currently at the moment is happening. Like I said, I don't want to see her play too much game in here. I want to see what she needs to do and either go lower or attack these buys up here. Again, we are done for the day. We made our profit and we are done. So. This is how we looking like on regular trading hours. We have NQ. I'm just gonna put it in so you guys can see. And then we have ES. Alright. So when you go ahead and look at how we can see the 930 opening range gap, we always have it on electronic trading hours, but to watch the 930 gap, it is regular trading hours. So. And you can see at 10 is when we have dipped into the 930 opening range gap. Currently right now she's still in premium. Do we make another attempt now to sweep below 1021 lows to then get back into the 930? So the 930 would be as well as this 1 hour PDRA. So let's just see. A 5-minute inversion is still getting respected. Another 5 minute in here, another 5 minute in there. If these 5 minutes would have gotten taken up, then these, as we mentioned, that we wanted to see get taken before it started dropping, would have definitely been taken out. So it happens, it is what it is. So alright, still playing around, and as long as we continue playing around in here, if we don't have no source of strength, she's gonna be, you know, doing all this BS. We do have a Sibian here. I want to see what she is going to do. Not so much anything on ES. Okay. Again, look at that. Is this? Might as well read the message of the day, because I didn't read it yesterday to you guys. But yeah, doing what was the message of the day for yesterday. I do have it on my social media, and I do have it on the community post on YouTube. But for today, Friday, is when you are just beginning to deliberate, when you are just beginning to deliberately manage frequency of your being, through your thoughts and feeling, you may find there are some up and down, and that you are jumping from one frequency to another. This stage is so short, and in no time at all, you will begin to stabilize on a higher frequency, and then a higher frequency, forever climbing higher and higher. It took some practice to walk, didn't it? But with determination, you did it. There is no difference. So just like a heartbeat monitor, when you're in a I don't know if you guys went to a hospital and seen the computer where you see, the line go up and down, up and down, up and down, or you just consolidate. Sometimes it spikes, right? That's just basically how your thoughts are. As time goes and you build more wisdom, more experience, etc., you'll gain more confident and have more faith, in terms of where you want to go, right? So like it says, you have the power of your own thoughts, right? At the beginning, it's going to be a lot up and down, but just when you start as well a craft, that's when the up and down starts, because you're brand new and you're just starting it. But as time goes, you will have a better understanding of it, and so it'll be more ups than down, even through the losses, right? Because then you will understand that those downs that you first was taking at the beginning of your journey were more of a lecture, right? Or aka success, to building more success, and throughout those success, aka losses, it was obtaining W's, right? What, like I always say, there's no such thing as losses. It's just either you win some or you learn some, right? So that was the message of the day. All right, so you guys can see what is going on. And like I mentioned, if you're going to be in here, I don't want to see her inside, because she's going to be inside. There's going to be a lot of up and downs, We came back into the 1 minute Sibi that we had taken a sell from NQ. But for ES, that's where she's at. And currently for NQ, we are in an area where, price is somewhat balanced in the lower quadrant. I want to see what happens after she gets in this area in here. Are we okay? So we got like 2-3 minutes in here. After that, this becomes invalid for me, this 5 minute. I'm not gonna delete it, but I'm only gonna have it shown on the 5 minute. So there's not too much on the 1 minute or the lower intervals. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at the difference in terms of price. Let me go ahead and mark the 50% of this as well. Like I said, if she does not continue going on lower, going into I can have an idea that going into 11 into 12, which is London retracement, aka price reaching as well into any liquidity and efficiency that it has not touched prior to 8 and 9. Not prior, but yeah, prior. So let's see. We could go ahead as well. It's possible but we're gonna have to do a lot. You literally, you just see the struggle of NQ right now. And as well as ES, but she's doing way better than NQ in terms of moving upwards. We got like 13 seconds. I want to see how she closed. Is she? Alright, so you guys can see. I'll go ahead and fix this real quick. What is the 86.75? I'm just gonna have it marked up here. And again, I'm not gonna take it out because usually I'll have it framed all the way up to this volume imbalance, small one in the 5 minute. But just to have less makeup on the charts, we're not gonna do that. You're just gonna have it already shown on the 5 minute. But it's currently still being respected for NQ. Okay. What's up? Let's see one message we're gonna be. I'll use this one as a daily message. Seven good. There's a day. Yo, facts. What day are we in? Look, we currently on a journey of not smoking, and sometimes I be forgetting what day we on. But I'm looking through. Oh, there we go. So we are on day 55. So day 55, we are 5 days away from making 2 months. My longest has been 2 months. Yeah, I think it has been 2 months. So that's pretty dope. So yeah, 2 months. Close to 2 months of not smoking. Kudos. Day 55 of oh god, yes sir, that's fire, bro. Our message is gonna be God rude awakening calls can be very uncomfortable. By that is to wake you up and watch out for your surroundings. That is just to wake you up and watch for your surroundings. Yes sir. Yeah, like I mentioned, yo, I don't got no interest until she gets out of that current area that we are trading in, because she looks like a whole mess right now. Both of them. I just won both of them. So when she does that, go ahead and spread the love. Spread the love. Spread the love. Okay. This is what I'm saying in terms of, I don't want to see her play games. I want to see her, if she's going to be moving away aggressively upwards, she needs to get out of this area here, because ES already had done so. So There she goes. Now we talking. All right, now that she is pushing higher, I'm gonna go ahead and expand this 1 minute in here, just in case you want to go ahead and retrace into it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Now we are reaching into this 5 minute in here. And again, what happened was, look at that, trade it back up. So what we're gonna do is, only show. Yep, only show on the 5 minute. Too much to be having. All right, so after hitting our 50% wick of our 10 a.m. Bearish candle, we can see the shift a little bit in momentum. So let's see. Let's shy. Do we get a retracement just at least into this candle in here? Currently at a 5 minute inverted FEG, but again, I'm looking at the higher time frame, which is the daily that we're currently in. So if we above it, then we can continue pushing up higher. But I definitely want to see these area here in the 1 minute get taken if she is going to continue going up higher. Be mindful, 5 minute civvy. So we have 1, 2, 1 minute currently looking at. So back into the 1 minute inversion. I'll go ahead and just put that there. Same touch that we got on ES, got it on NQ. Still in premium. So just for us, for me to go ahead and shift my mind and say, yeah, okay, now we're gonna go ahead and push it higher. We're gonna have to destroy these 1 minute, literally, and be trading above the 5 minute. And just to be more, I just have extra confirmation. I want to see her be trading, trade to and through this 5 minute, because I already know this already balanced out. So if price is gonna go into that, I want to see her do it aggressively from this 5 minute. If it turns into a inverted FG, but even so, just trade to and through this area here, this 1 minute civvy. Okay, we have this 1 minute here, this 1 minute here, this one here. Small little area in here. I ain't crazy. If these get taken out, then I'll possibly see her pushing a bit lower. So let's just wait. 1 minute civvy here. I'm looking on the 5 minute. Okay, we still good. I'll just go ahead and put this on a different color for you guys. See what happens. Alright, let's go ahead and finish putting these messages of the day. Can't even. Alright, so currently right now we have this small 1 minute in here. So pay attention to this. I'm not gonna mark it because I already have too many things marked up. So it's looking like ES is gonna be the one taking out buy side. So if she does, then we possibly may be rejecting off here and leaving these, or having ES just take it, and by the time we have NQ taking out these buy side, she's just gonna be aggressively moving up higher. So another area in here we're gonna go ahead and mark up. I'm not gonna do it here because it's already too much. So pay attention to these buy side here for ES. Trading above the 5 minute as we talked. Now I need to see her trade to and through these. Attention, but we need to, like I said, we still in this 5 minutes, so just pay attention, pay attention. If you wasn't here, we did take a sell after messing up in here. We messed up our sell position, so we waited, and then we caught another one here, targeting here. This wick right here was a dip into the 930 opening range gap. I do have a lecture on that on my on the playlist on YouTube, but I'm gonna go ahead and make another one just to make it better. And I also do have a whole bunch of pictures on the community where you could go ahead and look at all the diagrams of when I touch the market, when I touch the market, just by looking at the 930 opening range gap. Yesterday, live was a great example of me not touching the market. You should go ahead and watch it so you can have an understanding, and as well mixing it together with the 930 opening range gap that I have as a lecture. I do trade ICT concepts, so all right. So currently right now what I'm looking at is we're already trading in this 5 minute, right? So just diving into the 5 minute, I'm looking at the upper quadrant to be balanced out. So once we trade to and through this area up here, there's a, now I'll have an interest on these buy side taken out. You guys can see that already we are closer to buy side on ES. Again, ES is going to be on our left, and Q is going to be on our right. Real quick, we are still in premium. I'll go ahead and show you guys. And Q, ES, this is where we are looking at. And then this is shown from regular trading hours session. This, and then the only way you go be able to see that is by clicking all the way to your bottom right. You start always on your electronic trading hours and regular trading hours. We already made our profit for the day. You guys can see right there. We're not touching the market no more, so we're done for the day. So keep paying attention. This 1 minute in here, and currently trading above. See how she is moving more, how she's moving compared to ES, how she's already above it. So what we're gonna do is too much makeup. I'm just gonna have it only shown on the 5 minute, just to have a better clearance. So the only thing we have now is this 5 minute. Everything is balanced out, so I need to see her aggressively push into buy side. You guys can see what E and Q is doing. So very soon it's about to be 11. We're about to close the shop. If y'all was not on YouTube Live, this is what we make for today. Had a couple people on. About to log up very soon. So last trading day of the week, closing out in profit. Very grateful. Y'all already know the vibes though. And as always, 5 P's. Proper preparation, prevent poor performance. Peace. Pay attention to those highs. Take a screenshot of this, putting it on the Discord. Where is the what that was? Okay. Let's go to screenshot. Another jab. Another jab. Look at that. Yeah, 5 more minutes with y'all, and I'm out of here. Give it 1 second. See, get to Mama Dukes real quick. All right, so where is? All right, here we go.
This as technical analysis. What are we doing? Are we playing shoots and ladders, or are we day trading?
Alright, so I already got everything posted. Sharing the knowledge. Right, I got one more message to put up. There we go. I don't know if you hear the trumpet. Let me see if it. Nah, I don't think I can hear it. That's just other than. Yeah, my husband's playing the trumpet. Alright, there we go. Alright, so. Alright. One more. So, all right, no more. That's it. Oh, hear that? When I was posting up the messages of the day, what I was saying in terms of price, she delivers. All right. So even though we didn't get the full range balance on sell side to from premium, we did get it into here, and we can see that the shift in momentum from the previous, from the 50% of the wick of 10, we shifted, taking our buy side. All right, so it was perfectly, it was maybe a minute over, 2 minutes over, but that concludes my day. I'm gonna go ahead, shut off my workshop. Hopefully I had a blessed day. Continue to have a blessed day, morning, night, whatever time you're watching it. For those that tune in, hopefully I learned something today. Spread the word. As always, I do have a free Discord where I'm building community, where a healthy community where we go and learn from each other, right? We all need to learn how to be a student at all times. At all times. Leave that pride aside and become a teacher when we're passing on the knowledge, right? So make sure you check that out. I have the link description on the YouTube links. It's also on the description below. As always, you have not met my partner yet, Alfredo, but he will soon be back. He just have a test that he has to take on the 17th, so he's studying for that. He's focused on that. I still want to meet him. And as always, 5 P's. Proper preparation prevent poor performance. And as my mama always say, be the first one in the room and the last one to leave. I love y'all. Peace.